Hey there everyone! Welcome to Section 3 of our Facebook Ads 3.0 video training series, Advanced Facebook Ad Strategies. In this section, we're going to teach you advanced level strategies that will allow you to expertly deliver results for your Facebook ad campaigns like a pro, right from the get-go. In this section, you are going to learn creating a custom audience, adding the Facebook pixel from a campaign to your business website, sending more traffic to your site with Facebook ads, increasing conversions through the Ads Manager, creating a lead generation funnel, and creating a Facebook retargeting campaign. So let's kickstart this section with this video, where we are going to teach you how to create a custom audience with the Ads Manager. Creating a custom audience. Start on your Facebook account and load the Ads Manager through the Create Ads option in the Options menu. Once in the Ads Manager, click on the menu icon on the top left corner of the dashboard. Now go to the Assets column in the display menu and click on the Audiences link. You will be taken to the Audiences page, where you will be able to check, create, and edit your target audiences. To create a custom audience, simply click on the Create Audience drop-down menu above your Saved Audiences dashboard, and then click on Custom Audience. So what is a custom audience? A custom audience is simply an audience made of people that have a connection or relationship to your business. Such an audience can be formed by people who have bought from you before, or people in your lists, or simply people that have engaged with your business before in one way or another, and that you can target with a Facebook ads campaign. As you can see, there are several ways to target people with a custom audience. You can target people in a customer file, which will allow you to target people according to customer or subscriber data saved on a file. You can target website traffic by targeting lists of people that have visited your website. You can target people by app activity, which is people who have used your app. You can target people by offline activity, such as people that have bought from your offline store or that have provided you with a phone number for doing business. And you can target people by engagement, which means people that have interacted with your content on Facebook. The variety of custom targeting options is a welcome feature that will allow you to achieve faster results. And we are going to give you an example of how to set up a custom audience by creating a custom audience from a customer file. Once you choose to create a custom audience from a customer file, you will be given the options to add customers from your own file or copy and paste data, to import from MailChimp, or to add a customer file with lifetime value. For our example, we are going to use our own customer file. So we click on Add Customers from your own file or copy and paste data. The first step is to add customer list. To do this, you can either add a new file or copy and paste the customer data. In our case, we are going to upload a customer data file. If you decide to use a customer file, we recommend you to use the download file template, to then open the file template, and then to edit the data on the template according to your own data. In our case, we are going to add a single test customer for this custom audience. So start by clearing all the placeholder data in the template that we are not going to edit over. Awesome. Now we are only going to use our customer's email, first and last names, country of residence, and gender as our customer data. So we clear all the attributes that we are not going to use as well. We then edit the placeholder information and enter our own, and then save. Once saved, you can click on the Upload File button to upload your saved file from your computer. Once uploaded, simply click on Next. Awesome. Now only make sure that the correct data is marked green. Then click on Upload and Create. Wait for your file to load and click on Done. Great! Now your custom audience is saved. Apply these simple steps and never miss on an existing prospect.